Alaikum everyone. Good morning. My topic is sheltering the Ukrainian refugee implication for Poland in the light of Pakistani experiences. The invasion of Russia in Ukraine makes Ukrainians to migrate from their country, and Poland is greeting them with open arms. Similarly, Pakistan did for Afghan refugee in past and faced many challenges. So I'm here to enlighten Pakistan experiences. Refugee ever since the Soviet Union launched its invasion of Afghanistan at the height of the Cold War. This has resulted in the significant consequences for Pakistan.
Recording in progress.
Some examples of this would be things like terrorism, drug smuggling, and human trafficking. On the other hand, as a result of the invasion by Russia in Ukraine, a significant number of Ukrainians will go for refugee in Europe, particularly Poland. They arrive in the tens of thousands at a time. You have the option of taking the bus, the train, or driving your own vehicle. On the Polish side of the border, the Ukrainians who have escaped the Russian bombardment of their cities are greeted with open arms by the Polish administration. In the last several years, there has been a migration of around 1 million Ukrainians to the United States from their other countries. And the current waves of migrants will join them. In the light of the fact that the fighting in Ukraine does not seem to be coming to an end anytime soon, we have investigated the potential long-term consequences for Poland of taking such a huge number of refugees. So, as you can see, there are many challenges Pakistan faces: huge budget expenditures, unemployment and economic difficulties, political and mental health crisis, repatriations of refugees, and the good practice. Here I would like to add one thing. The government of Pakistan, with the assistance of United Nations High Commission for Refugees and other international organizations, launched a brand new project that is being referred to as Refugee Affected and Housing Areas. More than 4,000 different projects has been carried out so far in areas that are new housing refugees. To conclude here, refugees have essential requirements such as shelter, food, healthcare, and the opportunity to find work. Nevertheless, they have constituted a financial and social burden on the nation that takes in refugees. Such refugees do not even repatriate, volunteer, and seek a permanent place in the host country. Due to the fact that Pakistan have been providing shelter to Afghan refugees for the greater part of 4 decades, the nation has been forced to trample over tremendous challenges on all fronts. There are significant numbers of Afghans who are active participants in criminal and terrorist organizations. Meanwhile, Pakistan has continued to take in an increasing number of refugees in the years after the fall of Kabul to the Taliban. Pakistan offers a plethora of experience and lessons to the world in general and Poland in particular. In the light of the fact that Poland is still relatively new to the process of hosting a large influx of Ukrainian refugees after Russian invasion of Ukraine in February of this year. Thank you for your attention.